This is one of the crazy video I ever shot, guys, in terms of the budget. Each and every piece you can see in this video, they are priced less than 400 rupees. Even few of the options, they are available at 250 to 300 rupees, which is even more crazier. What's up, my stylish people? This is Ishank. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another budget shopping haul. As always with all the budget videos, there is one point to consider. When you go down the price point, often there will be a decline in the quality, not exactly how the item looks at this point of time, but on a longevity basis. Actually, there are a total of 3 factors which you should consider while buying a good fitting Henley t-shirt. One personal opinion, I don't like generally Henley t-shirts in half sleeves. And the second one, in terms of the sleeve length, the sleeves need not be too long, which will not look presentable. Anyway, you are just going to drag the sleeves like this, but still the sleeves need to be well fitted. They should not have a straight cut to it. And the third, how deep this neckline is. Generally, I would have preferred the 3 ones, but in terms, generally it should end somewhere here. All the links will be there in the description below. Feel free to open the link and see the similar options from the same brand offerings in case if you like how they fit on me. Coming to the size reference, my height is 5 feet 9 inches and I weigh at 68 kgs. Just for the size reference, and my waist size is 31. Let's start with the piece number 1. It is a black color full sleeve Henley t-shirt from Must & Harbour, which I got it in a size of medium. This is priced at 600 rupees. I got 60% off on this one. As always, guys, the prices may vary depending on when you buy the specific item, either during the sale or during the non-sale times. So the price may vary, but most often they're not. It will be discounted at 50% at least. The first thing, why I picked this one? Obvious reason, who doesn't love black color, guys? The second aspect which I liked in this Henley t-shirt is the fit of it and how deep the Henley neckline is. It have only 2 button layout. I would have preferred a third one, to be honest, but it is too short, I feel. But overall length, where exactly the stitching end, it is perfect. I would have liked a slightly better fit when it comes to the sleeves, like how this one, the one which I am wearing, which I will touch it later on in the video, how it fits, I would have liked this way. But overall, the fit of the sleeves is a minor disqualifier at a price point of 300 rupees, and being the color as black, you can never go wrong. Moving on to the piece number 2, it is a red color full sleeve Henley t-shirt from a brand called Here and Now. This is priced relatively higher when compared to the Must & Harbour offerings. This is priced at 750 rupees, but this is also at 55% off if I am not wrong when I purchased. You can always go through the links provided in the description below. I like the color. If you guys know me, I generally like red color, and particularly when it is paired with the black color, the contrast generally I go for. That's the reason behind picking this one. If I don't recommend any of the pieces in this video, this should be the first option based on how it fits. I have gone true to size with the medium size. It fits slightly loose overall when it comes to the chest area as well as the waist area. At waist area, having enough room, generally it helps, and it should be that way. But however, when it comes to the sleeves area, the sleeves are too long. Literally dragging doesn't help. You have to pin roll the sleeves, which exposes the inside of the fabric. That should not be the case when it comes to the Henley t-shirts. That's the reason I said that is one of the important factors that determine how good a Henley t-shirt fits and looks good on you. Even though I like this color, I don't recommend Here and Now when it comes to the Henley t-shirt options. When it comes to the Henley neck, they have this nice rib and elastic texture to it. That's what I like. Elasticity has been provided even when it comes to the material composition as well, because they have a mix of elastin to it. That's the one factor I like. But when it doesn't fit good, these all doesn't matter, right? So it's up to you. At a price point of maybe 300 to 350, I don't think this is the best option available. Now let's get into the piece number 3, and I can say actually piece number 3 and piece number 4, because these are 2 similar options. These are from a brand called Roadster. Piece number 3 is a rust orange full sleeve Henley t-shirt from Roadster, and piece number 4, you guys know and you guys may have expected by this time that generally I would go for the olive color for sure, and you are right, I have gone with the olive green color. There is one good aspect when it comes to these 2 offerings from Roadster. Roadster have Henley t-shirts at different price points. I got these 2 for 700 rupees. For 700 rupees, the quality you are going to get in terms of the fabric. The fabric, if you see this very closely, these have the knitted kind of a fabric. Even though these are made of cotton, they have that knitted kind of fabric, and the fabric is little bit thicker when compared to the normal Henley t-shirt. For example, the Henley t-shirt which I am wearing here. So this serves the purpose even during the winter season. If you want a light layering during the winter seasons, these serves as the best option because the material is thick and the quality, and also they have a stretch to it. These are the rare colors to find when it comes to the rust orange as well as the olive green color. The olive green color, it's a dark olive green by the way. The disc qualifier is almost same as the Here and Now Henley t-shirt. The sleeves are longer and the sleeves have a straight cut to it. So even though if you drag down like this, it's not going to hug to your body until and unless you have a thicker forearms, which unfortunately I do not have. It fits well at the chest area. Apart from that, it have that relaxed fit to it. If you're into that vibe, you can go for this. I would have loved these to fit well as good as this Henley t-shirt because it would have make a perfect combination in terms of the material compositions as well as the fit. But considering the fit, I don't recommend this at a price point of 350 to 400. But in case if you're not too bothered about the straight cut when it comes to the sleeves, you can still go for that. Moving on to the piece number 5 and one of my favorite, not only in terms of the color but also in terms of the fit. It is a charcoal grey full sleeve Henley t-shirt from a brand called Highlander. This I got it in a size of medium. This fits proper to me at the chest area with enough room at the waist area, and the sleeves also fit perfect, guys. This is one of the example of how a good Henley t-shirt should fit. If you guys know me and if you guys have watched already few of the videos on my channel, I generally rate this brand very highly. For the price point what they offer, they give you optimum quality and also optimum fit. There is a balance when it comes to this brand. I love how it fits and I love this color generally, this charcoal grey or a space grey. It is going to be super versatile. If you are looking for a Henley t-shirt and if your price point is somewhere around 300 rupees, I would highly recommend to go for this option, guys. Moving on to the piece number 6 and the last piece for this shopping haul of Henley t-shirts below 400 rupees. This is the one which I am wearing from the start of this video, and this is one of my favorite in terms of this color. It is a light brown full sleeve Henley t-shirt from Roadster, which I got it in a size of medium. What I liked exactly about this overall fit of it, it fits snug at the chest area. The sleeves almost fit perfect if I leave them. It is having the tapered fit to it if I drag them. The shoulder seams also ends where exactly they need to be. Overall in terms of how stretchy it is and how comfortable it is and the color combination, these are the offerings you should be going from Roadster rather than these offerings. Even though the material is good, this fits so well, guys. They have this in multiple colorways. I will make sure that I will leave the link in the description below. I got this for a price point of 300 rupees, which is a bargain. And also I do not have this color. This is one of my favorite pickup along with the Highlander. So the conclusion for this video, if you want a best fitting Henley t-shirt which fits you well under a price point of 350 rupees with different color choices, you should go for either Highlander or Roadster. Even though the other options which I showed in the video in terms of the colors or in terms of the materials, some price points they are good at it. Even the Must and Harbor I would consider this is not bad, guys, but overall these are even better options. And you guys know I always prefer to give the best to you guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you did so, please click the like button and also subscribe to this channel for more content like this. That's it from me. See you guys next time.